Welcome to the Zoho Books Tax Software Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product can be found in the description below. Zoho Books is a feature-rich accounting and tax software designed for small and medium-sized businesses. It's part of the Zoho suite, known for its intuitive tools and seamless integrations. Zoho Books offers an excellent blend of accounting features and tax management capabilities, making it ideal for business owners, freelancers, and accountants looking for a comprehensive solution. One of the standout features of Zoho Books is its automated tax calculations. The software supports multi-tax rates, including VAT, GST, and sales tax, and ensures accurate tax computation for every invoice. It also generates tax reports like sales tax liability and GST returns, which are invaluable during tax season. These detailed reports simplify compliance and filing, saving significant time and effort. Zoho Books excels in its invoicing capabilities. You can create professional invoices with built-in tax options, track payments, and send automated reminders for overdue accounts. Additionally, the software handles expense tracking with tax categorization, making it easier to maximize deductions and maintain accurate records. A key advantage of Zoho Books is its seamless integration with Zoho's ecosystem, as well as popular third-party tools like PayPal, Stripe, and G Suite. It also includes bank reconciliation, time tracking, and multi-currency support, making it versatile for businesses with international operations. For added convenience, Zoho Books offers a mobile app, allowing users to manage their accounts and taxes on the go. Zoho Books is particularly suited for small business owners who want a straightforward and cost-effective way to handle accounting and tax processes. Its affordability, ease of use, and customer support make it a top choice in its category. The software also includes role-based access, so teams can collaborate efficiently while maintaining data security. In summary, Zoho Books is an excellent choice for businesses seeking an all-in-one accounting and tax solution. Its robust features, automation, and integrations simplify tax compliance and financial management. To learn more or explore Zoho Books, check the links in the description below.